How to use 4 color wheels and color page in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a video to my timeline. Move the playhead above your video, select the video, and open up Color Page. Click on this third button, which is Primaries Color Wheels. Here we have 4 color wheels: Offset, Gain, Gamma, and Lift. The Offset wheel is for changing the color of the entire clip. So for example, if you want to change the clip color to blue, you can drag this dot handle to a blue color. You can click on this Reset button to reset a wheel to its default. The Gain wheel is for changing the brighter parts of the clip. If you move the dot handle to a blue color, it will change the brighter parts of the clip to a blue color. The Gamma wheel is for changing the mid-tone parts of the clip. Midtones are the parts that are not white or black like gray colors. So, for example, if you move the dot handle to a green color, it will change the mid-tone parts of the clip to that color. The Lift wheel is for changing the darker parts of the clip. For example, if you move the dot handle to a blue color, it will change the darker parts of the clip to that color. There are 4 sliders at the bottom of these color wheels, and they are for changing the brightness. Move the Offset slider, which is for changing the brightness of the entire clip. For example, if you drag it to the left, it will darken the entire clip, and if you drag it to the right, it will brighten the entire clip. The Gain slider is for changing the brightness of the bright parts of the clip. The Gamma slider is for changing the brightness of the mid-tone parts of the clip. The Lift slider is for changing the brightness of the darker parts of the clip. For example, if you drag the Lift slider to the left, it will darken the darker parts of the clip, and if you drag it to the right, it will brighten the darker parts of the clip. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you found this useful.